Okay. Let's go to DataUnion.
Hi, yeah,
Thank
so
you.
that's me. I'm Robin. I'm the CEO and the CTO of DataUnion. And we took this weekend to develop NatureUnion. So that's basically on top of our protocol that we're developing around powering the collaboration for AI around data. And yeah, NatureUnion is about empowering nature and communities to own their data and also the value that is created from it. So we are a layer 2 solution on top of Ocean Protocol. And yeah, one important aspect that we see is that local communities, they are already tending for nature, but there's no data layer that they can benefit from. So like we are introducing the new concept that they can earn data shares and benefits from recording actually what they're doing. So the Kövel or our partner here in Malawi, which are taking care of trees. Additionally, we had just seen the game from Space for Good, and we also want to empower this to give them the opportunity to take the data that they are producing, or also like requests for data, and turn and offer this to games, and then give people the opportunity to reconnect to nature through these games. And then after all of this happens, the data is then sold on Ocean Protocol, and insights can be created also, and they also create value. And then tokens are coming back to nature's wallet. So we want to introduce a wallet for nature, and basically also for the individual elements of nature. So a tree can then use its tokens for water, love, and protection. And nature can also then start conquering back itself by the data that it basically produces on its own. So we're bringing together people and data and insights to sustain nature and communities. So on the left side, we have people and trees, or the nature itself, that have wallets and identities and that connect to the system. So that they're going to provide data. The data is then collected in a DataUnion, and data scientists and also impact certificate buyers can then use the data to create value. So the data scientists can use Ocean Protocol's computed data technology to visit the data, to learn from it without ever risking that it's going to be copied and taken out. And the proof over time over the different ecological systems can then be used to create carbon offset certificates. In the middle, there's the NatureUnion DAO. So that's a community of all the participants that then is taking care that the value flow is governed, that things are extended in the correct way, and that the value can flow back to the people who've come contributing, or also the nature itself. So if we look a little bit deeper into the details, so the contribution and the receive part, we offer APIs to register data sources, to then also take out the data and enhance it, or to let something flow back from mobile apps and games, but also to be able to claim the rewards. In our mobile app, we have the opportunity to link devices, so like the Kövel air quality sensor, or from our partner in Malawi, they are having drones, so like their data can also be connected. We also went through the hackathon and connected with several teams, which also are producing data and would like to start getting value back for it. Then in the app, you also have an impact screen where you can see how much this data was used, how much value it has created, and where you're standing right now. You also have a Figma flow where you can experience this. The second important component that we built is like an insight dashboard. So basically here, then all of the data that is collected all around the world is aggregated into one large data set. And then data scientists or researchers can start looking into this data. Also, commercial entities could be using that and buy it. So here you can filter for different data types, for different regions, and specifically look for the data that you need to make a difference. And this is all done as a marketplace on top of Ocean Protocol, with our personal twist being the data portal to look into individual data sets and filter for that. So what we're offering then here on the marketplace are then trained insights. So if you want to, for example, then determine the carbon offset that you created, you can then use a ready available algorithm for that, or then also to issue carbon impact certificates, and also use this for project reporting and research. We especially work with YOMA, a UNICEF organization, which is working with young people from Africa to connect them to impact projects to make a living out of that. So yeah, that's our project. And yeah, we met so many new people, data collaborators, contributors in Hackathon. We're looking to continue to work with all of them in the future.
Thank you so much. Thank you, DataUnion.